Hi, I wanted to share the recent member success story of Stephen and Chrissy. Stephen and Chrissy came to me wanting to know how much they could spend on their renovation. Can they rebuild or develop, or what their budget was, or do they only have money for a granny flat? They wanted to make sure they're protected in the event of a catastrophe. They wanted to make sure that when interest rates rise, they won't be in trouble when their loan comes off their fixed 2.87%. And they wanted to make sure they were saving and their cash flow was all automated and easy. Now, when we got to the visualize stage, for Stephen, it was about family fishing experiences and friendships, but he wasn't doing fishing anymore, and that really stuck out. For Chrissy, she wanted to spend more family time learning, sharing her fortune and animals, but for her, she wasn't volunteering at the animal shelter anymore. So when it came to the number crunching stage or the solve stage, we calculated how much they could spend on their renovation. It was about 200K. So that limited their options, but now they know what they can do with that 200K. We adjusted their spending planner to put their mortgage repayments at 6.5%. So when their loans come off fixed, there's no shock there. We've prioritized their spending and finances, and we've allocated time in the week for volunteering with animals and for Stephen to go fishing. And we got the catastrophe plan in place with insurances. So now Stephen and Chrissy, they know exactly how much they can spend on the renovation, and they know exactly what they can do with that. They've prioritised their desired activities. So Stephen is now spending an hour a week fishing, and Chrissy is now spending an hour a week at the animal shelter. And they now have peace of mind. They've got their catastrophe provisions in place. They've got their insurance provisions in place. They've got their cash reserves in place, and all their cash flow is automated. So I just wanted to share that success story of Stephen and Chrissy.